Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your body look skinnier on CapCut PC. Obviously, you don't need to do that, but only if you want to. This is just a tutorial. That's just a little disclaimer as well, but you are going to go to the Enhance button and you're going to scroll down until you find the body section. Here, as you can see, you can make your legs look taller, I guess, and skinnier here by dragging it. And you can also do it to the body. You will see some wrapped stuff though if you do that. Maybe the walls will look a little bit slanted. You can also do it to only just the waist, but that's pretty much how you can make your body look skinnier. There's also other features and effects that you can use, but it is a pro feature. For instance, like the hips, for instance. I keep saying for instance, wow. But yeah, you can do that. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!